Hi guys, it is now Tuesday, the 31st, I think. Yep. And today we're going to talk about spelling. So yesterday was all about reading words containing open closed magic E syllables. Okay. Today we're going to talk about spelling. Sometimes we call it encoding. Okay. But all that means is spelling. Now remember, I'm going to make this short and sweet. Okay. So I'm going to get right to it. Remember, when we spell words that we're not positive we know how to spell, we like to pound our syllables and then finger tap the sounds. Okay? Remember, the syllables are parts of a word. Every syllable contains a vowel. Okay? Starting in kindergarten, we were taught to clap them like basketball, basketball. Okay? But we're gonna pound them on here. Now, remember, when we pound and finger tap, we always use the opposite hand we write with. Okay, so if you're right-handed, you're going to pound and finger tap with your left hand. If you're left-handed, you're going to pound and finger tap with your right hand. Okay, I'm going to be showing you I'm writing with my right hand, pounding and finger tap with my left. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few examples, and then I'm going to say some words that you're going to have to do on your own, and then your parents will email me how you spell them. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is chap. Okay, so chap. I'm going to pound that syllable. Chap. It's only one syllable. Okay, I only hear one vowel. Chap. Now, I'm going to finger tap it as I spell it. So I'm going to kind of get down here so you can see me. Okay? So as I'm writing, I'm finger tapping. I always start with my off hand. I always start with my pinky. And I'm never going to go over 3 sounds or 3 fingers because there's never more than 3 sounds in a syllable. Okay? So, I'm going to show you first so I can get my head out of the way. Ch, a, p, chap. Okay? Ch, a, p, chap. Okay? So even though for ch, I only finger tapped once, I know that there's 2 letters that make that one sound. Okay? Ch, a. That's your first example. Your next one is going to be a 2-syllable word. Okay? And most of the ones that I'm going to give you are 2 syllables. Okay? That was just kind of an easy example. All right? So your next one is going to be suntan. Okay, so I'm going to pound it. Suntan. All right, first syllable, sun. Remember, you're going to go 1 syllable at a time. Okay, so sun. I'm going to finger tap it as I write it. Sun. Second syllable, tan. Now I'm going to finger tap it. And tan. Okay, suntan. Next word we're going to do is tulip. All right? Tulip. You guys might see some tulips starting to bloom outside in some gardens. All right? Tulip. First syllable. Tu. Okay? Tu. It's an open syllable. The U says its name. Lip. It. So I'm literally finger tapping as I'm writing. Okay? I say a sound, I write it, then I go to my next one. Okay? So we've got an open syllable here, and then we've got a closed, right? Here we've got 2 closed. Sun, tan. They both make their short sound. And obviously chap is a closed syllable. Okay? I'm going to do one more example. It's inside. All right? Inside. First syllable, in. Now I'm going to finger tap it. It's a closed syllable. My I is closed in by the N. Makes the short sound, right? Side. Now, even though I only finger tapped 3 times because there's only 3 sounds, I know that to make that I say its name, I have to add a magic E at the end. Okay? Because without that magic E, that word is instead, because it would be a closed syllable. Now, it's a magic E syllable. Okay? Inside. So even though I only finger tapped 3 times, my E is silent. To make that I say its name, I know I have to add the E. Okay? So I have chap, suntan, tulip, inside. Now, remember, pound your syllables, go 1 syllable at a time and finger tap, then go to your next syllable. Okay? That's a good strategy to use to help you spell words that you don't know. Okay? Your words that you're going to do. I'm going to give you 4. All right? So you're probably going to have to come back to this video to watch it to remember which words that you need to write. Okay? There's a worksheet that goes with it, but if you would rather just send an email with the kids' work, that's fine too. Okay? Number 1 is vacate. Vacate. Don't worry about knowing what these words mean. I just want you to practice spelling them. Okay? Number 1 is vacate. Number 2, himself. Himself. Number 3, infect. Infect. And number 4, gumbo. Gumbo. All right, that is it for today, and I'll be back tomorrow.